everyone, it's Cristina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial we're going to make some delicious gluten-free cinnamon buns. As you all know, I'm doing a lot more gluten-free recipes and this one came out almost perfect. I still need to do a bit of tweaks on it, but if you like the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break a neck. So our ingredients for the cinnamon buns: 550 grams. I'm using gluten-free flour. The recipe uses normal flour, so you can do it with normal if you want. But I'm just going to try and make it gluten-free. This is 7 grams of yeast, and then you need about 4 or 5 grams of salt in the opposite corner. This is 1 big carrot, about 80 grams of grated carrots. And 300 milliliters of warm water. We're going to make a little dough. So I took them out of the oven, they're nice and brown. Put all the syrup on, and now they're gonna cool down completely. You can eat them as they are, or you can make a separate icing. I'll probably make a bit of icing. And yeah, and gluten-free cinnamon buns. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and see you next time.